Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. We got a great episode today. We're going to go down to Las Vegas. But before that, we're going to have Appies with Chappy by the lake. And even before that, Mookie and I are going to make a tiki drink. So this is called a Painkiller. Generally, Painkiller is a shaken drink poured into a tiki mug. But just wait a second, Mookie. I got to go get my tiki mug. I'll be right back. Okay, I got my tiki mug. See, Mookie? All right, so we're going to do a Painkiller. But as I said, normally this is a shaken drink, but I'm going to wazz it up in my blender with some ice. It'll be a nice slushy tiki drink. So again, I got my small blender full of ice. We're going to go 1 ounce of cream of coconut, 2 ounces of dark rum. We got some nice Jamaican dark rum today. 4 ounces of pineapple juice. And 1 ounce of OJ. Now I'll spare you the blender noise, and we'll go out to the lake and have some Appies with Chappy by the lake. And then after that, we're going to Vegas. So we're going to have some Italian food in Las Vegas. So stay to the end for that. All right, we're going out to Lake Okanagan for Appies with Chappy by the lake, so check it out. All right, so today on Appies with Chappy by the lake, we're going to smoke some cheese. Now, I really enjoy smoked provolone, so I thought, why not smoke some of my favorite cheeses? So I have, this is cheddar. And then we have some Havarti. The third one is Jarlsberg. And then some Gouda. Gouda is one of my favorites. And today we're going to smoke it in my Bradley smoker with some cherry wood. Okay, we got some nice cherry wood pucks here. See, they look like hockey pucks, and they do a nice slow smoke. And that's my Bradley smoker. Oh, I don't know if you can hear that, but there's a woodpecker over there. Hey, Woody. Oh, he's gone. All right, so basically, I'm just gonna have the oven part off. So this is gonna be what you call a cold smoke. So we're just gonna have the smoker part on, no oven. And I'm just going to kiss it with some smoke. So maybe like half an hour, 45 minutes. And we'll have some nice smoked cheese for Appies with Chappy by the lake. All right, so I got my cheese out of the smoker. I got some Italian Antipasto cold cuts. Antipasto Quattro, that's 4. So the 4 meats I have is hot Genoa salami, coppa di Parma, mild Genoa salami, and some prosciutto, which is a lovely cured ham from Parma. So we'll plate this up. All right, so that looks real nice. And again, that's the Coppa di Parma, the prosciutto, and then I got hot and mild Genoa salami. All right. Now we need to go make a drink for Appies with Chappy by the lake. Appies with Chappy by the lake. Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. So I got my smoked cheese plate and we need a beverage to go with that. So we're gonna do a beauty on the beach. This is a shake and drink. Put a little ice in my margarita glass as well. All right, I got my trusty bartender's guide and it says beauty on the beach. 1 ounce of white rum. So I got some nice Cruzan aged rum today. 1 ounce of Southern Comfort. It's what Janis Joplin used to drink, you know. Oh, it says 1 tablespoon of Grand Marnier. That's a fancy orange liqueur. So we'll just put a little splash in there. And a tablespoon of lemon juice. So I got fresh lemon here today. And we'll give that a shaky. All right, and I'm gonna strain that into my margarita glass over ice. And I have a nice umbrella garnish. And that, my friends, is a beauty on the beach to go with my smoked cheese plate. There'd be a quiz.
I'm like, I can't.
Okie dokie artichoke.
So we have to use it Thursday. Can't use it tomorrow. Which is just as well.
Good. Here, fries for you ladies.
I ate so many
Thanks for watching another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar, Las Vegas edition. Make sure you hit that notification bell. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.